to knit newborn hats with a newborn. Hi and welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here with Knitting Natter to help you knit with ease, confidence and joy. If you realised last week that we got a new tag, well done, well spotted. We are knitting for baby. Yes, we are. And there's a big question. What size do we knit? That's a big question, isn't it? I will just say as well, if you're interested in the knit along, we have 2 weeks to go. 4 sizes in all of the patterns. And the other thing is there's video tutorials, there's conversation, there's chat. You can upload your photos so we can all share how we're getting on. Going to be great in there, brilliant community space. So all you have to do to join is get the kit or the pattern, 2 weeks to go. What size to knit is going to be confusing because I'm offering you 4 sizes. So if you've got a newborn, if you've got one who's 18 months old, what do you do? What do you decide? Let's go through this one at a time. So the first thing is to say, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. What's that got to do with knitting for baby? Of course, knit more than one size. If you have 3 balls of yarn, like we're going to get with this, we're going to have 3 balls of yarn, different colours, and you can say I'm knitting a newborn hat and I'm knitting a couple of 3-month to 6-month hats. The beauty of that is that they will move through them. With 3 balls of yarn, you could even knit 2 newborn hats and it won't take you that long. The parents will be able to wear them, wash them, use them for many, many months actually, and really appreciate them throughout the year. Once you start knitting larger sizes, they're going to last for longer. So for example, a 12 to 18 month hat might actually last more than 6 months. It could last for 18 months. And then as soon as you get to a 3 or 4 year old, that could last for years. So as soon as you start knitting for the larger sizes, the toddlers, then those hats could last for a very long time. Because the head grows and the baby grows really, really fast in the first few years, and then it slows down. Height doesn't slow down, of course, but the head size does. Definitely just keep them moving through the different sizes and have them ready. Don't just gift a single newborn hat, which could actually be too small. As for cardigans and baby grows, knit 2 sizes if I were you, if you're willing, or knit the size that's too big or the size that 2 sizes too big. Babies can grow into things. Babies can wear them with sleeves rolled up. Parents are willing to have them sat in the drawer for 3 months before they fit, and then they'll be too big still, but they'll wear them for much longer. It also means that the baby gets used to a fabric, gets used to a pattern, gets used to a colour, and then they feel familiarity when they're wearing it. They'll actually feel comfortable in it if they're wearing it for a longer period of time. The third tip I have for you is about considering the season that you're knitting for. If the baby is expected in May, then knit for the summer. You may want to knit scratch mitts or face cloths or hats because it's going to be the summer. You don't want cosy cardigans and warm, complicated jumpers for that time of year because they're probably not going to wear them. If the baby is expected in October or November, then go for it. Knit something that's warm and cosy, but definitely remember that seasonal clothes can be really helpful. This can also help you decide which colours to knit with as well. The yellows, the blues, denim blues, this is a really light denim blue, and the whites really do feel particularly sunny. They're going to be really appreciated for a newborn baby this time of year. Of course, the option is also there, and this is my 4th tip, is to knit items that are not size dependent. This is an easy way out if you feel completely confused about picking which size to knit. Go and knit a blanket, face cloths, bibs, anything that's out there that you could knit for a baby that doesn't have a specific size on it. There you go. Knit toys that sit on a mobile. Buy a teddy bear and knit a jumper for it. Isn't that going to be so cute? They're going to absolutely love that. And then 6 months down the road, you could knit the same jumper in a larger size and the child can wear it as well. For large items, you can knit a baby blanket. You can knit a cushion for the nursery. Small items might be face cloths or wipes. So just be aware that these options are available. You do not have to knit a particular size for a baby and get it spot on. Knit items that are not size dependent. Okay, so those are the 4 tips. I do hope that's helpful for you today. Just don't get too frantic about it and feel like you have to get it spot on. We're going to make mistakes about sizes when we're knitting. You know, these things happen, but know that it won't just be the baby that you're knitting for that will wear it. This baby will wear it, and then it will get passed on to another baby, and then to another baby, and then to another baby. The parents would really appreciate the fact that someone has hand knitted these items. You know, they could be passed through the family, these cardigan or these hats, passed through the family for many years to come. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like to join the knit along, all you have to do is get the kit or the digital pattern, and you will be brought into the community space on the 18th of June. So not just yet, you'll be let into the community space on the 18th of June, and we get going on the 20th. That's a Monday. I will leave a link below so you can decide which colour hat you want, whether you're going to knit with your own yarn stash. Go and find out all about the knit along or all the exciting things we've got going on in the community space, and all of the videos that we've got as well are in there to help you and guide you as you knit through the patterns. Okay, see you again next week. We're talking more about baby knitting. Let's talk about knitting with cotton. There's a video down here below, tips there to knit with cotton. And knitting with cotton is something that we do a lot when we're knitting for babies, so I hope that will help you. I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Happy knitting.